Break ID number 2133. 2018 Topps Tribute Baseball. 1-box break. This one has 2 fillers. One's good for 1 spot, and one's good for 3 spots. So here's the one for 1. Gordon, Isaac, Russell, Sean, and Todd. Go. Todd, E.G. And the one for 3 spots. Daniel, Isaac, and Jeremy. Go. Daniel, W.O. Okay, those buy one, get one free, double the spots. And here's the alphabetical list. And go. There you go. Love this stuff. We'll be doing just a couple of straggler type stuff tomorrow, the last day of breaks until the week after. A rare week off. So we'll be doing some of this, some Majestic, and not sure what else. Might have a couple of good deals up there for tomorrow. Wade Boggs in a Yankees uniform. Zach Greinke. Luis Severino. Green parallel stamp of approval relic /99. Yankees, Todd, E.G. Max Scherzer. Robinson Cano. And green parallel Dellin Bettences on card /99. Another green Yankee. Todd, E.G. Jose Ramirez. Mike Trout. And like this one, on card auto, Ian Happ to 199. Cubs, Russell, M.A. Ichiro. George Brett, green, green parallel to 99. And a green everywhere. Green dual relic, Wade Boggs, Evan Longoria. That's Devil Rays and Rays. That was before they got the devil out. Daniel, W.O. Don Sutton. Bryce Harper. Cody Bellinger. Second year triple relic to 150. Dodgers, Todd, E.G. Last pack. Green, Pedro Martinez to 99. Matt Olson. Blue parallel on card, Christian Arroyo. Giants. Jeremy T.R. All right, so we're going to try to do the rest of the case of that tomorrow. There's 3 boxes left in that case. So keep an eye out for that, and we'll do some more Majestic. Just a few here and there, maybe a couple of good deals to wrap up the week or the time before the break. No pun intended.